Hey y'all, my name is Allison Hinson. I'm a 5th grade ELA teacher at Byron Elementary School in Byron, Georgia, which is in Peach County. It's about 20 minutes south of Macon, Georgia, and about 10 minutes north of Warner Robins, Georgia. Today I'm going to be talking about some personal and professional insights that I have, a memorable diversity issue that I have observed, and my most and least favorite aspects of engaging in diversity and equity issues. So I graduated from UGA in 2017 with my undergraduate degree in early childhood education. Right now I'm working on my master's in educational psychology with a focus in gifted and creative education. With this degree, I'm going to be a double dog with 2 degrees from UGA. I'm the only 5th grade ELA teacher at my school, and I see every single one of the 5th grade students each day. That means that among my about 110 students, I have an advanced content class, I have a special education collaborative class, and everything in between. And that gives me the opportunity to practice differentiating my content all the time, and I get to see a lot of different abilities throughout the day. A memorable diversity issue that I have, when I was growing up, I went to a very small private school in Macon, and there was not much diversity at all in my little graduating class of 46 students. A lot of us had actually been together since kindergarten. So when I started my undergraduate degree at UGA, I was shocked at just all the diversity and everything that I saw around me. My sophomore year, I lived with an international student for a little while, and I loved getting to know her and understanding her thoughts and ideas and values about school and studying and just life in general. As a teacher in a public school, I'm able to see a lot of diversity, definitely more than I did growing up, and I enjoy creating lessons that make each one of my students feel at home in my classroom. My favorite aspect of engaging in diversity and equity issues is that this really is a topic that a lot of people don't understand and a lot of people don't know about, and so it needs to be discussed. And I like to be informed about issues that people don't understand so that I can educate others about those things. And when you understand diversity and equity issues, they can be linked to a lot of things that our education system could do differently. My least favorite thing about diversity and equity issues is it's important to act and to do things about these issues, but standing up for things can be scary, and so I don't always know where I fit in that. So even though I understand some of the issues and I'm learning more about them, I don't really know where to go from there. So hopefully during this class I'll understand a little bit more about what my role is in diversity and equity as a teacher. So I'm excited to get to learn with all of you, and thank you very much for watching.